How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What do you do in the morning?
I read a book and clean my room.
When are you going to school?
I'm going to school at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy books and pens.
How many books and pens do you want to buy?
I want to buy 10 books and 5 pens.
What grade are you in?
I am in grade 11.
What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Where do they work?
They work on the farm.
What does he plant on the farm?
He plants rice and bananas.
What does he sell in the market?
He sells rice, bananas, other things. It was nice talking to you, but I have to go.
Have you good day.
Bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.